Hi, I'm Andrea Hancock, owner of Hancock Business and Creative Services LLC, where I help small businesses and nonprofits simplify their operations and succeed with confidence. If you want clear, practical tips on building your organization, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new video. So every time you go to start a new grant application, it feels like you're starting over again from scratch. That isn't a writing problem, it's a strategy problem. When writing a grant feels scattered or chaotic, it's usually because there isn't a system holding everything together. When writing, every application becomes a separate project instead of part of a larger plan. A funding strategy looks different. It is built around reusable core narrative, clearly defined programs, and a budget that works and supports multiple opportunities. Strong organizations don't rewrite everything every time they go to apply for a grant. They refine what has worked in the past and make new applications with intention. This shift reduces burnout, saves time, and creates momentum over time. If you're ready to stop building grant proposals from scratch every time and start applying with intention, my company does offer 2 ways to support that. If you want to build a reusable plan yourself, I have a self-guided foundation kit that's designed for that. And if you'd rather have proposals developed with you or for you, you can explore my bespoke grant services on our website too, hancockbcs.com.